So in this video guys, I'll show you step by step on how to deactivate 1Xbet account. So if you want to deactivate your 1Xbet account, the step are possible to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. Now open the 1Xbet account like this. After I open the application like this, now I'll show you step by step on how to get the deactivating option. So let's start by coming to the menu option. After I come to the menu option now, as you can see now, there is different option on the menu. Now there is top, sports, casino, and 1Xbet. So let's go ahead and find the option. So I'll start by coming to this option now. So if I scroll all the way down, so as you can see now in this option now, there is no option for you to deactivate. Let's go to the spot again and find the deactivate option. There is no deactivate in this spot. And casino, no option, no option. So if you come to this option again, there is no option as well. So now all you have to do now to find the option, tap on this settings. From the settings option now, scroll to down and go to the official site. You can't find the option in the application, but you can be able to find the option in the official site. Tap on this official site. Now open the official site on the browser. Now it will open the link of the site for you. So after it takes you to the official site like this one, all you have to do now, you can come to this menu at the bottom. Go to this menu again. So from this menu, all you have to do now, scroll to down. As you can see now, there is three options. There is this more, tap on this more, scroll to down and tap on this info again, information. After I tap on this information, now scroll to down. So now there is different option. So from this option now, tap on this contacts, this one. This contacts, tap on it. So after you come to this contact, as you can see now here, it says here where we are here to answer all your questions. So as you can see now in this contacts option, now there is 3 email address that they gives you in order for you to ask them a question or to ask them for something. So all you have to do now, tap on this general query. So this one, there is email, tap on this email. So tap on your email and tap on this option now. Now it will take you to your email address. So from this option now, here is the official email address. So all you have to do now, go ahead now and type in deactivate in this option now, deactivate account. So type in I want you to deactivate my account. So just type in a message like this or similar to this. Just explain that you want them to deactivate your Instagram account. All you have to do now, tap on this send button. After you tap on this send button, now you send them a message that you want them to deactivate your 1Xbet account. From there, they will reply to you with a message that you provide your email address and your ID for your 1Xbet account. After you give them the email address and the ID for your 1Xbet account, from there they will deactivate your Instagram, your 1Xbet account. That's the only way you can be able to follow in order for you to deactivate the 1Xbet account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.